Hey guys, welcome back to your bass lessons. In today's video, I'll be breaking down this cool groove for you with fills and licks. Okay, so if you are interested, kindly watch the video to the end because I will be adding some stuff to it. Okay, so if you are also new to this YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and also leave a comment. Okay, I also do private class lessons. If you are interested, you'll see the link that will pop up over here, or you see the link in the comment section or in the description. Just click on the link. It will take you direct to my WhatsApp. Okay, and if you haven't joined my group, you also see the link in any of the place I just mentioned. Okay, join the group so that you don't miss any stuff I upload over there too. Okay, so guys, grab your bass and let's begin with a breakdown. I know many of you know the song, but what I'm to teach you today is the fills, the groove, and how to play so steady in this kind of song. Okay, so maybe in case you made this kind of progression out there, you'll be able to apply the fills and the licks I applied in this song. Okay, so the song was played on key B. Okay, first, if you want to play a B, you need to know your root, your octave. Okay, so on my first string, let's say on my third string, I have my root, that is my B, and on my first string, I have my octave. Okay, so if you're using a 5 string, on your 5th string, if you play it freely like this, you have your B, that is your root. On your 3rd string, it is your octave. Okay, so this is what you need to know first, because sometimes playing B in this pattern is somehow difficult for beginners. Okay, so I'll try and break it down so that you will understand anything I played in the video. Okay, but before we start, please, I've just created a new YouTube channel for groove only. Okay, so I might be uploading a full session of groove so that you guys can also listen and get a concept of the bass line. Then I'll break the lesson down in this YouTube channel. Okay, so this is the channel. You'll see the link over there below. Click on the link, it will take you directly to the YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe and also click the bell. Okay, so guys, let me first say out the progression. Your love is kind. Da, 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 da. So throughout this part, it is just Fa, that is your 4, your Do, your 1, So, your 5. Okay, this is just the progression for the start. Okay, so the groove goes like this. Da, 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 Fa, So, La, Do, because you'll be coming to your 1 progression. Okay, so a passing note to your Do, So, La, Do. Okay, so your love is kind, So, La, Do. So you should put this in your mind in case any song out there you want to go to your Do. Okay, da, 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 So, La, Do. Your love is kind, your love is patience, you feel my heart. So you come back to your Fa again with so much peace and joy. So dan dan, La, Do, Re, So. So now you are coming to your So. So dan, La, Do, Re, So. Okay, so put this in your mind. So, La, Do, Re, So. That is your So. You're amazing. So here I did ascend to my Fa. So from Do to my Fa. Okay, so La, Do. You're amazing. So it's like you're singing a song along with the bass. So Re, Mi, Fa. Okay, so Re, Mi, Fa, Fa, So, La, Do. You make my life feel brand new. So you make my life feel brand new. Okay, so you make my life feel brand new. You can do it like this. So la, do, re, la, re, so, re, fa, so, re, do. You're amazing. So la, do, make my life feel brand new. So there again you can do do, la, do, di, re. So your D, you have your do, di, re, okay, la, do, di, re. Then you play your fifth string, your re. Then you play your so. Okay, so I hope you guys are getting it. So what you need to learn from this first part is so, la, do, that is your do. Now to your so, la, do, re, so. Okay, now rising up from your do to your fa, do, re, mi, fa. Okay, do, re, mi, fa. I just remembered that I did one of these re, mi, fa, a very cool way. So do, re, fa, re, mi, do, so, fa. Okay, do, re, fa, re, mi, do, so, fa. So you can do it this way: do, re, mi, fa, or do, re, fa, re, mi, do, so, fa. Okay, it is your choice. Okay, so you're amazing, or you're amazing. Okay, so put these things in your, you can write it down so that, or you can get a song out there, just understand the progression of the song, then go with it. Okay, so in the vowel area, so. Okay, so you just vam with your band, dun, 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 that is in your soles. Then you come back to your do, so, la, do. Jesus, you love me too much, yo. So that place, let me start the progression. Fa, 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 la, 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 so, do. Okay, so that is a progression. It's very easy. Your 4, your 6, your 5, and your do. So this is the main key thing I want you to know: the fills, the licks, and every groove I applied here. And mostly when I am listening to a groove or to a cover, I mostly listen to the kick of the drum and how the drums go, so that we both can fill in the groove. You understand? So if you listen to the song, the lick I played, everything I played goes with the bass drum, the kick. Okay, I just know that is how you guys call it, the kick. Okay, so in case you're not going to play any crazy thing, you're not going to play any fills, just for your plugin, for your steady notes, fa, 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 la, 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 so, la, do, fa, 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 la, 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 so, la, do. You can be playing that for the start. Okay, so fa, 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 la, 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 la. Okay, if you want to add stuff like that. Okay, so we'll get to that. So Jesus, you love me too much. Fa, 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 fa. That is 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so you'll be playing the fa like 7 times. Fa, 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 fa. La, 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 la. So, la, do. Okay, so the groove bass line I played there was Jesus, you love me too much. Fa, 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 re, mi, la. Okay, so when you want to play your la, re, mi, la. Okay, la, 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 mi, so, do, so, la, la. Okay, fa, 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 fa. Okay, so, la, la, la. That is root octave. Okay. Fa, 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 re, mi, la. Then you come to your so, 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 so. Okay. So, 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 re, fa, so, so, re, so, do. Because from your so, you're coming back to your do when you start again. Okay. Jesus, you love me too much. Fa, 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 re, mi, la, 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 la. Mi, so, do, so, la, 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 so, 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 re, fa, so, 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 re, do. Or so, so, do, or so, re, do. Okay, so now I did a very cool fills do to my fa. That is the progression to that fill I played. That is do to the fa. Okay, so okay, so okay, so pam 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 pam. Okay, so it's very easy. So you play your root note. Okay, so do 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 re. That you slide. Okay, do 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 re 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 mi. Okay, do do. Okay, so you need to put this in your mind. Okay, so do 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 re 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 mi. Okay, if you study, I was using my first finger to play the root note. So okay, so do. Then I use my little finger to play the octave note. Okay. So here you need to use your fingers very well, because if you don't use your fingers very well, you might misplace the note. Okay, so okay, so you do it like this, mi fa mi. So you just plug here once. Okay. Okay, so mi fa mi re do. Okay. Okay. Mi fa mi re do la so. Mi fa mi re do la so. Mi re do. Then you play your fa. Okay. So the video of this song, you can go and listen to the video of the song. That is the bass line I played, so that you can understand the note and how you can do it. Okay, so okay, so mi fa mi. So your third finger plays your mi, little finger plays your fa. The same to your mi, re do. So la so mi re do. So that is the fills for the start. Okay, so fa 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 re mi la 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 la. Then if you study the groove I played, I came to play my la with a very hot so I came to play my la here too, and to my so. Okay, so when you've done playing the fills, you lead it to your fa. Okay, so your la. Then on your third string you slide. Okay, then to your so. Okay, so that is another fills I played in the groove from my do to my fa. Okay, so so it goes like this. So la ti, so do re mi so la so do re do. Okay. Okay. Re mi so la so do re do ti so re so do re mi do fa. Okay. Okay, fa. Then you come back to your so now to the lick I played when I end on the do, then I came to my re. Okay. That is the lick I played over there. So do re la si so la si so la si so la si so mi mo re mi mo re. So you can use this too as an exercise. Okay, then you come to your la si so again. So then you start. Okay. Then you come to your re do so fa. That is the lick. Okay, so okay, so when you've done playing do so la do re. Okay, so this is the whole groove I played. This is the whole bass line I played. I'm not here to teach you how to play the song, but I'm here to teach you some of this groove or some of this bass line, all this cool stuff I just played out there. You can use it out there in some of the songs, which you know that the progression are the same. Okay, so guys, I will see you guys later in the next video. Bye for now.